Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
At least 15 deaths have been reported worldwide, including one in Australia. Glucomannan, another name for konjac, in tablet form was also banned from supply in Australia in 1986 for posing choking hazards. Glucomannan is an appetite suppressant which swells in the stomach to create a feeling of fullness.
Let's help you make your mark.
An 18-month temporary ban on mini cup jellies containing konjac was recently announced, following a substantial number of deaths and near deaths overseas and in Australia. The ban came into effect on the 21st of August 2002. Other countries, including England, the US, Canada and the EU, have also banned the product.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A permanent ban on the use of konjac in jelly confectionery. The European Parliament yesterday voted with an overwhelming majority for a permanent ban on the use of the food additive E425, otherwise known as konjac, in jelly confectionery.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.